chicken shawarma with pita bread. Now I am making chicken shawarma with pita bread, which is very delicious. Take a pot and put garlic and ginger paste in it and fry it lightly. And when the garlic is fried well in the ginger paste oil, then I have added chicken inside it, which is 1 kilo. And when our chicken starts frying, we will add finely chopped tomatoes and green chilies to it to increase its taste. And now, we'll add some homemade spices to it, and also add spices to the chicken, and also add a little curd to make it taste better. Now leave it to cook till it cooks well and leaves this oil. Now we have the chicken ready for the chicken shawarma, and now we are going to close the bottom of it. Now we will prepare the salad for the chicken shawarma, in which I have found onion and cabbage, and can also add cucumber and many more. And also I have prepared the chicken shawarma sauce, which I have prepared at home. I will tell you the recipe of this chicken juice in my next video. I have already heated one well with oil, and now I will heat it well with pita bread, which I have ordered from the market. The pita bread is nicely warmed up, and after that I spread the sauce on it. And then I put ketchup on it, and then after that, I made a layer of chicken, and on top of that, the salad that I made with cabbage and onion, and I put the sauce on top of that again, and that's it. Then folded. And now we have ready chicken shawarma, which I have made with pita bread, which is very delicious to eat and very easy to make. You guys must try it in your own homes and let me know in comments. Let me know how you liked my recipe so that I can make a similar recipe for you. Thanks for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe.